I'm going to show you how to check all your active subscriptions from one place on your iPhone. This is a good way to check what you're paying for, and it makes it easy to cancel any subscriptions you don't need. To check your active subscriptions, open the App Store and tap your name on the top right corner. Then tap Subscriptions, and you'll get an overview of all active subscriptions as well as any inactive subscriptions that you've had in the past. From here, you can easily cancel any subscriptions you don't need or renew subscriptions you've had in the past. One thing to keep in mind is that you'll see all the subscriptions that are linked to your Apple ID. But for example, my Netflix account that's connected to a separate Gmail account does not show up here. So that's one thing to keep in mind. If you're into more money-saving tips and tricks like this, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.